What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the NBA live stream APK. This APK is a modified version. It's an ad-free version, and as well as a new version, but it's modified by Psych. I think it's Psych Loan 420, and he did the modification where you have no ads whatsoever. And let me tell you, it's a blessing from God. It works so smooth. All right. Now, to continue, you're also going to have to download the mouse toggle, set orientation. You're also going to get a browser. I use Silk browser, and I suggest downloading MX Player Pro. That is in the channel's APK store. It's real simple to download, and I'll show you all that in the middle of this video. But first, okay, I'm going to show you about the basketball. Okay. Go into it. Give it a second. Now, there's no games going on at this moment, so that's why you see it says link updating, because there's no games. Once this is only live feed games. So when the game's going, you're gonna see it. Okay. Now, unless there's a NBA channel on here, then you'll see it, but this is what you see when there's no games, okay? But I am going to show you how it looks if there was a games on the other other APK, which is the NFL. Let me back out of here, because the NFL has NFL Network on it. Give it a second. There you go. Now, in the basketball one, you will see there's links as like this, but it's simple to use. To turn on your mouse toggle, you're going to use your mouse toggle on this part of the program. You're going to press play twice. You see how it turns on? With your mouse toggle, like I said in previous videos, I'm going to have the link down below showing you how to use it and everything. It's real simple to use. And also, too, I'll leave in the description how to use it for a Fire Stick. It's a little tricky, or not Fire Stick, a Fire TV box. It's a little tricky, but I'll leave that down there, and it should work. Also, if you guys know another way of making the mouse toggle work for your Fire TV box, leave that in the comments below, and I'll pin it so it'll be on the top of the comments so everybody can see it. Okay. But anyways, now there's links that use MX Player. Honestly, MX Player, it works really smooth with these APK, the sports APKs that I have on my channels, my channel's APK store. It works pretty good. Let's turn that on. Now, here on this screen, I'm going to tell you something. You won't be able to select it. You can click up, down, left, right, in and out. It won't work. You got to hit this play button. Okay, now you see how you can select it. Okay, so I'm going to choose once on the MX Player because I clicked that link. Give it a second. Okay, you can hit resume start. Well, the reason why it has that because I was just watching something on it. And there you go. You see, kicks right up. Now, if you want to use the other one, this one's going to probably ask for a browser, but I already have it connected to my Silk browser for always, because you could click just once or always, and I honestly suggest to click always. Okay, so you don't have to go through the BS of selecting it. Now, since you use the Silk browser, it has its own mouse toggle, so you can turn off the other mouse the other mouse toggle. You could turn it off. Okay, so Silk browser has its own, and you notice it takes it full screen automatically. So just hit the play button. Give it a second. It's going to load up. There you go. You're going to hit exit. As you've seen, if you have links in that basketball or the NBA one, you will be able to do how I just showed you. Okay? Now, let's get to the good part. Let's install everything. Okay? You're going to need FileLink. Okay? If you don't have FileLink, the links are down below of how to get them and how to open them and use them, as well with the code that I have. Okay, so you're going to open this up. Once again, I was in that, so I should have backed myself out. But anyways, you're going to see that there. And once you get it going, you're going to see it says code to enter in. You're going to enter my code. It's 645-39676. Once you enter that in, you hit continue. There you go. You're into this store. You're going to dismiss that. You can read it if you want. Scroll down to the sports section. It's a little ways down. Okay. There you go. Sports section. Dismiss that. Now, here goes your NBA. You click that. You see how it's the download button? Give it a second. It should load up. See how it turned into a play button? From that point, you'll click it. You'll click that play button, right? And it's going to install into your device. Once it's installed into your device, it's going to say done or open, okay? And that's for that. And then we're going to go down. We're going to get set orientation. And we're going to download the mouse toggle. It's that simple, people. Oh, there we go. That's all you have to do. And then once you see set orientation, I'll show you real quick. You're going to open it or download it. Going to hit install. Let that download into your device. As you see there, and then open it. You're going to hit that, you're going to highlight the triangle up there. You're going to hit that, hit automatic, then okay. That's all you need to do. Now, for the mouse toggle, there's a video link down below showing you how to work that once you have it downloaded and installed. It's real easy to do, not hard, okay? And that's everything, people. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, and share, and I'll keep those videos coming. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.